again, would I fight for it? Would you fight for it?